Hi everyone. On this video, we are going to learn how to download a Mendeley reference software on your PC and how you create an account, how you recover your account, and an interview or interface of the Mendeley. What I meant is the tools, the toolbars, how you use it, and how it looks like, and what style do you use in the same video. So let's start by showing you how you get this Mendeley. You go to your browser, yeah. Here you come and type download Mendeley, which is here. So this is how it's going to bring you. How it looks like. So let's use this free version. You click on it. This is how it's going to open up. You will come and say download, free download for this PC. You click on here. After clicking, download has started. It will appear on the top right this way. So once this installer is done, you will tap on it, and once this download is done, you will click here and you run the browser and install it on the PC officially, and it will start installing. I'm not doing that because I already have mine downloaded on the PC, but that's what you do. So let's go back to our Mendeley. So once it's done downloading, this is how it looks like on the PC. Click on it. Exactly, this is how it's going to look like. So we have here the Mendeley telling us to enter your email to continue with this Mendeley. Is our reference management software in the PC that allows a user to cite and collaborate work and organize their work. So in this Mendeley, you can cite your sources, references, and you can connect it to your words. That's what we're going to do in the next video. So to continue, you need to have an email account that you're going to enter here. So let's enter my email. And then you say continue. So this is what it has brought for us after entering your email. Create password to register. So they are giving us here given name. Let me put Laura. Family name. Let me put that's my family name. As we proceed, they now need a password. So here it's telling us to choose a unique password with minimum 8 characters. Include at least one number, a mix of lowercase and uppercase letters, and one symbol to make your password strong. So let's see how we are going to register it here. Since they've told us unique password with minimum of 8, at least one number, and a mixture of lowercase and uppercase. So let me put down so we are generating a password. We need a very powerful password. Exactly. So it has been waiting for us. So this is our password, and you need not to forget. Anytime you're going to sign in or log in. So here they're telling us the password is strong. Then they're saying stayed in, not recommended for a shared device. May send you information about relevant products and events. If you do not wish to receive such messages, tick the box check. We don't want such. So by continuing, you agree with your terms and conditions. If you already have an account, like the way we have started ours, you will come and click here. You have already, but first we are just registering ours. So you click on register. Welcome to Mendeley. So we are done with our registration. This is how it looks like. It's a very interesting this app or software to use. So we have on our top left here is where you can add your references. Once maybe you've downloaded them from the internet, you can add them using this button. Then here are the all references, and here is recently added, recently read, keeps all your history. Maybe you have some favorite documents. My publications are here, unsorted work, and then duplicates work. When you have a similar work to that, almost the same, but yours is duplicate. Then the trash where you've deleted, and it comes to the trash. So how to create your collections? You create it from here on this button. You type a name of a collection and you create one, or you create a group. This is where you use it. So on the toolbar here we have help, how to get logged files, and how to reset your Mendeley. Then we have the tools, install Mendeley web importer, install Mendeley site for Microsoft Word. That's how you connect to your Microsoft Word, and search for articles online or check for duplicates. Then here is where you edit your work. You can copy, paste, or select. Then here, file, you can export or launch. Here is about Mendeley. You can quit using the keyboard's shortcut given here. Then here is the search. Maybe you're looking for a reference, with its name. You can trace it from up there. Coming here, we still don't have any references. Get started with simple PDF files. So you can input your simple file from here. All this importation requires data. As you can see, we have imported this after being imported, you're going to it's going to organize our work the way you're seeing. We have the authors here. So the names of the authors are here. Once you click on it, the author is here. Go back. The year of publishment, the title, and the sources where they got it from, they were cited here. And just added it at 701. And then the file itself is here. This is how it looks like. You can see once you click on it, the article comes here with the author, with the language, with the journal, date, month of publishment, and you can read it. Once you click on read, a PDF with this article, with that topic, the effects of procrastination on physical exercise among college students, the chain effects of the exercise and commitment of the action. So once you want to read, the PDF is going to load from here, and we read detailed work from here. And that is going to take a lot of time. So this is the basic what you do. So they're here. On this button, you can see what it does. This button is for field search. You can search for the title or the author alone, or abstract, or the PDF text. You can use this button on your top right. You can extract phrase. Once you have extracted a phrase of what that author said using Mendeley, that phrase will also cite the author, not only just the phrase, but will also extract the cite the author just to avoid plagiarism. To move on, we also have this button here, authors. You can search for authors here if you know their right spelling of name and correct style of how they were written. Then the tags, you can as well get it from here. Moving, this last button is to expand view of how this view is going to look. This view here, we can expand it here. We can use a full view of the full screen, and then we can manage the columns, these columns, and how they are arranged. You can reset. You can either start with title, yeah, author, source, any. But for the purpose of organization, this is how it should look like. So this is what you need to know about Mendeley and how the Mendeley works. So in case you fail to recover your account, what do? You have to come and reset your Mendeley. You have to reset your Mendeley. you reset with your email, and then with the password that you will remember. See a reset Mendeley, which I don't want to lose this item, but this is the button you click for reset. Or you're a new person and you don't know what to do, you use this help button. It's not here for design. You can get log files, you can get terms and conditions and policy. I hope this video has given us how to download. I hope one has learned how to download Mendeley, how to open an account or create an account on Mendeley. Yes, and how to use it. As you can see, it's very important. It organizes your work with the author, the year, the title, the sources, and cites for your references. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for our next video, as we are going to connect our Mendeley to Word and use it in the Word Microsoft. Thank you so much.